guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be all about Elko Market in Bandra, Mumbai. But before that, happy Diwali you guys. मैंने इस वीडियो का इंट्रो जो है वो पहले शूट किया था, but I don't know where it went. So today I'm shooting it and today is Diwali. So happy Diwali. I don't know when this video is going to go up on my channel, but anyways, today's video is going to be on Elko Market. Elko Market is a market in Bandra where you get all the cute stuff, all the cute tank tops, flowy gowns and footwears and jewelries. Everything you get which you see in boutiques and mall, you get it on the street here. So this market is very beautiful and I have covered it all. इस वीडियो में मैंने बिल्कुल भी बकवास नहीं की है. I have not shown my face in the whole video. I have just shown the products and I'll give all the information in the voice over. So enjoy. Okay guys, welcome to Elko Market. It is right opposite to Marks and Spencer building in Bandra East. The first thing I did was entered a small lane besides T Villa Cafe. The first shop had a lot of cute stuff from embroidery jackets, crop tops, t-shirts, denim jackets and cute dresses from rupees 300 to 500. Also saw some cool fur jackets and tunic tops priced from rupees 300 to 700. Spotted some tie-dye and graphic t-shirts at a very reasonable price here. Here are some party wear and office wear tops as well, and your beach vacations are all set with these beautiful printed dresses and tops with poppy colors. Spotted some cute stuff here. All tops in this shop were from rupees 350 and above. These cute little dresses are available in a shop named Fashion Buck and they are priced between 400 to 900 rupees. If you are good at bargaining, you're gonna get a good deal here. Saw this variety of bags as well. Will not say they are of a very good quality, but they are not bad too. You can give it a shot. This shop has a variety of tops, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, tunics, party wear, sequence tops and many more things, all available at affordable prices and are of very good quality. Now coming to the street market, these are some cute night dresses all at rupees 200, denim shorts from rupees 300 and a variety of cute track pants and sweatpants from rupees 300. There are also many 100 and 200 rupees stalls. These are not used clothes guys. They are all export surplus and some are export rejected as well. Talking about footwear, the shop had really cute sheen style sandals and heels. They were available in variety of colors and patterns. Look how pretty this one is. I loved the color and the pattern of the heel so much. This stall had some trendy chappals, sandals, flats, sliders, sneakers in beautiful pastel, shimmery as well as poppy colors and were available in all sizes. There are many vendors who sell these flat slippers, sandals and sliders made of jute and fake leathers from rupees 200 to 350. Spotted these cool and trendy sunglasses and glasses from rupees 200. These earrings were priced for rupees 50 and were of a very good quality. Spotted some belts which are for rupees 150 each, and dainty necklaces, bracelets, traditional jhumkas and junk jewellery starting from rupees 100. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I am on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Until next time, bye.